This is kind of based on a book we read about the rainforest, a fiction book, a funny book, but we changed it tremendously. And a couple of the main characters here are good ad-libbers, so they're going
to like this character right here.
If there's too much noise. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, begin.
In the night creatures were awake, but in the daytime they were asleep. But one animal that was a jaguar called Papagayo kept them awake. She loved singing, and she especially loved singing Consider Yourself. Consider yourself. Consider yourself part of the family. We take you so strong, it's clear. We're going together. Consider yourself. Well, consider yourself part of the furniture. There isn't a lot to spare. Who cares? Whatever we got, we should.
Everyone,
It's the
chance to eat.
We should see some harder days and the harder days. Why grouse? Always a chance to meet somebody with the bill and the things are on the house. Consider yourself. We don't have no fuss for the consideration. We can say, consider yourself one of us. The night creature said, stop singing. I can't stop. I'm going to sing.
So the next night,
as the night creatures were looking at the moon, they saw a moon-eating pygmy marmoset woke up from a 100-year nap and looked at the moon and said, does that look good? I'm just going to try it. If it doesn't taste good, I'm not going to eat any more of it. So she jumped out of her burrow. All the other animals were horrified. She took a little bite and went back to her burrow.
and she said,
that's good. Next night, I'm going to take an even bigger bite. So the next day, all the night animals were crying. What's wrong? Last night there was a pygmy marmoset jumped out of her cave and ate part of our moon. Papagayo said, I know that story. I heard it before. I know how to stop her. There's a special song to stop. And I don't know what it is.
so there's a special song that the moon eater, if he heard the song, she would stop eating the moon, but Papagayo doesn't know the name of it.
So the first night, hummingbird and harpy eagle sent out to sing Blue Sky.
But first they saw the
moon-eating pygmy marmoset touching the moon. Blue skies, sing not me, nothing but blue skies. Blue birds singing a song, nothing but
everyone.
Never saw the sun shine so bright. Never saw the things glowing so bright. Noticing the days hurrying by. When you're above my hours flying so day. All and on, nothing but blue skies. From now on, the pygmy marmoset said, that was not the right song. I know what you guys are trying to do, but I'm still going to eat the moon. So she took a bigger bite out of the moon.
Ay, ay, ay.
The second night,
The second night,
let's choose anyone.
the caiman and the piranha went out, sent out to sing. It's a good day. But before they started singing, the pygmy marmoset had already jumped out of her burrow and was flying to the moon. And she had almost touched it when they started singing. Yes, it's a good day for singing a song, and it's a good day for moving along. Yes, it's a good day. How could anything be wrong? Yes, it's a good day from morning till night. Yes, it's a good day for shining your shoes, and it's a good day for losing your blues. Everything's a game, nothing to lose. Yes, it's a good day from morning till night. Yes, it's a good day.
I said to the sun.
I said to the sun, good morning, sun. Rise and shine today. You know you gotta get going if you wanna make a showing. And you got to ride away. Yes, it's a good day for shining shoes. And it's a good day for losing your blues. Yes, it's a good day. Yes, it's a good day for curing your ills. And it's a good day
For paying your bills.
bills. Yes,
Take a deep
breath
Everyone.
in, roll away your bills. It's a good day from morning to night. It's a good day from morning to night. Oh, it's a good day from morning to night.
And Corbin said,
And the pygmy marmoset said, that wasn't the right song still, but I'm going to eat an even bigger bite out of the moon.